Let's take a look at what James with Trimworks Finishing was up to yesterday, creating a custom reclaimed wood handrail.
Just take it all apart,
Right.
just so he can stain it easily.
Just biscuit joint it all together.
Yeah.
Cool.
So that way it's obviously no fasteners, no plugs, it just all goes together. And there again, painter can stain all of this.
Nice.
Without having to get into every single little crack. So now we can just wipe.
Yeah, it's nice to see a bit of character in it actually, eh?
Very much so.
It's really nice detail. We'll check in with them again shortly to see the finished product. Until next time.